Want to pull data straight from a website into Google Sheets? The import XML function makes it super easy. Here's how it works. Start with a new Google Sheet, and in any cell type, you go to import XML. In brackets, you gotta type in URL, comma XPath dot no period. The URL is the link to the website, and the XPath tells Google Sheets what part of this site to grab, like headlines, prices, or descriptions. For example, to scrape all headlines from a new site, paste the site's link as the first part, then use an XPath like you got commas and slash slash h2, then code to grab all level 2 headings. Hit enter, and boom, your sheet pulls live data directly from the web. You can use this for tracking product prices, pulling blog titles, or watching competitor updates, all automated. Keep in mind the site has to be public and structured properly, or it might not work, but where it does, it's super powerful. That's your intro to Import XML, one of Google Sheets' most underrated features. If you found this useful, follow for more smart data tips like this.